Welcome to Inuvian Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making rice cake, soft, lightly sweet and full of traditional flavors. A unique homemade cake made without oven using simple ingredients. Let's start the recipe. Take 1 cup raw rice. And soak for 2 hours. Wash well. Take 1/4 cup poha. Soak in water. And wash well. Now in a blender, add soaked rice. Half cup grated coconut. Soaked poha. Two to 3 cardamom, half teaspoon cumin, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1 cup water. Blend into a smooth batter. Soak rice properly for smooth batter. Blend well for soft texture. Pour into a bowl. Add 1 cup melted jaggery. And mix well. Add half teaspoon baking soda and mix gently. Now place a heavy bottom pan on the stove. Add 2 tablespoons ghee, 3 tablespoons grated coconut. Cook for 1 minute. Now pour the prepared batter into the pan. Cover and cook on low heat for 20 to 25 minutes. Let it cool slightly and serve. Rice-based cakes are popular in traditional cuisine. Poha helps create a soft texture. Jaggery gives natural sweetness and flavor. Cook on low heat to avoid burning. Do not overmix after adding baking soda. Rice provides energy and is gluten-free. Coconut adds healthy fats. Jaggery is a natural sweetener. Homemade cakes are fresher and safer. Your soft rice poha cake is ready. Serve and enjoy this traditional sweet. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Inuvian Cake and Cookies for more easy recipes.